dressing up for London. The kids are all ready now, so I want to quickly prep my face and Hi guys, so we are all set now. We are about to leave. No, not like we are not about leaving. We have like 1 hour before the bus time, so we'll chill a little bit, then get our Uber and yo. So let me show you guys what I'm looking like. So you flip the camera this way. Oh, outfit of the day. Just this, my trouser, my Crocs, and I think I'll throw my jacket, or I'll just hold on to my jacket just in case it gets cold. So aside that, that's it. I'll see you guys in there. So this is your suitcase here. Your stuffs and your sister's stuffs are here. This is not coming.
This is my luggage. And this is inside here, and mine is inside here.
So.
Hi, look beautiful.
Okay.
What is this do?
See your mouth.
Guys, we're going to London.
Yeah. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you excited? What is your mouth? So whose suitcase is this?
Sister.
Is this is for you and your sister? It's for you and.
Is our clothes inside there?
Yeah, your clothes is there. How was it?
Oh, what's beautiful? Ta-da! It looks beautiful.
It's not even sticking well.
Never mind, just.
No, you hold it like this. Come on, roll it. So to leave the road. Alright, go.
Yay! It looks like I'm driving a baby.
So that's our suitcase. But we're not staying long. Why are we sitting on the suitcase? Hey people, we're in London.
Is it like a holiday?
It's like a mini staycation. We are doing a mini staycation.
Will there be swimming pools today?
No, it's just an apartment. No swimming pool.
Will it be small? Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
You say hello. Hi girl. That's hobby over there. So guys, we just got to the Airbnb now. So I'll show you guys. Nothing so serious about here. It's just a simple space. So let me flip the camera now and show you guys around. So here is the dining space, and from here I think here leads to a balcony outside. I might show you guys later. So a chair, there's another chair here, a drawer. That's the TV. So here's the bathroom is looking like. There's the bathroom. That's the toilet. Yeah. And here is the kitchen. Toast. Washing machine. So that's what the room is looking like. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is a drawer. I like this wardrobe. So yeah, we are here for a mini staycation. So it's just a simple room. So guys, yeah, we are here for a mini staycation. So be sure to enjoy the rest of this vlog, okay? Trust me, you're gonna enjoy this vlog. So I love this wardrobe. That's the wardrobe. So cute. And there are drawers there. So yeah. Hi guys. So this is our mini staycation in London. So we just arrived London a couple of minutes ago. And yeah, I love this room. So beautiful, so comfortable. It's not too big. It's not so big, but yeah. So that's the room for myself and hubby. So we do. So yeah, I really needed this break from work just to chill and relax.
Ooh, I want to stay with mommy.
You can take your jacket off. I told you before.
Oh my God,
So take your bag. Take your bag off. Take your glasses off.
Yeah.
There's a drawer in the parlor. You can keep your stuffs in that drawer in the parlor. Let me show you the drawer.
Okay.
So we are in Westfield. We just came to eat, to look around, and that's basically it. That's the girls over there with their daddy. Right. Oh, it's so cute, yeah? Can you get one? vlog. You are doing that to guys. See what you are doing to guys. That that is what you are doing in the vlog. You don't tell guys anything. Tell guys that you're in Westfield, London. Our food is ready, it's vibrating. So guys, our food is ready. Hubby is going to bring the food. There's this thing he had when the food was ready. That is started vibrating. What was that? Is that how it works? Oh, they say see if you know. So food is ready.
This is stuff that can make you...
Say those things off.
That's my tip.
So. Look at that! I think this one is mine. I like. That's a lot of food you've got there. Hey, Sophie. I'll put some dip in this plate. Camera is even down. So we just want to sit out here for a moment.
So let's play.
And chill. Welcome to Westfield, London. So this Westfield is like a big mall in London. A lot of shops are here. We've been in there. So we had dinner, we ate there. I'm sure you guys have seen it. We ate, we did a little shopping in Primark and a few other stores. And right behind me here is an upside down house. Over here are cars, vehicles passing, bustling of London. So yeah, the baby girl is in London Street. So yeah, I just came for a mini staycation, a mini vacation in London, and is she having fun? Yeah, she's having fun. Away from work, away from Wahala, and the kids are over there playing. And yeah, so this is Westfield, London. So here is just like an open place where people are sitting and playing. That's Adeza and Soso over there. Soso. So that's Adeze and that's Soso. Lady. Careful, careful.
Because you're some conflict. Yes. You are never cut off fresh.
Have you? Hey, I've just been intentional now. Let's zoom closer. Upside down house. There's an upside down house there. Upside down house over there. Yeah, so.
There's around like an ocean in my head.
So yeah, we're
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but
It looks nice because of the window.
Did you see that train? The train that is passing up there. You see the train? I was looking to vlog the train that time, but I couldn't carry.